Good morning. Today we're going to be exploring decimals. You're going to be making up your own problems using base 10 blocks. So I'm going to start out with one group of tens and 3 hundredth boxes. All right. Now, please go to page 93 in your math journal. So I have 13 altogether. That ends up looking like 1/10, because I have one group of tens and I have 3 hundredth boxes. Now we're going to write that as a decimal. How do you think that would look as a decimal? Good. It would be 0.1 0.13. Now write in column D how that would look as a fraction. All right, that would be 13 over 100. Great job. Now let's do another example together. I'm going to make up another example using my base 10 blocks. This time, I'm going to do 7 hundredths. Now let's go fill out our chart. So I have 7 hundredths, and now we're going to show how we write that. So there were 0 groups of tens, because I only used the little boxes, and there were 7 hundredths. Excuse my writing. It's hard for me to fit hundredths in that tiny little box. Now you're going to write the decimal, which would be 0.7. Now we're going to write the decimal. I'll give you time to write the decimal. It should be 7 over 100. All right, let's go back to our next screen. Let's do one more example. This time we're going to do 20 hundredths. I'm going to use 2. Now let's go to our next screen to fill in our table. So we're going to write that, our number, which is 20 hundredths. So there are 2 groups of tenths and 0 hundredths. Once again, I'm sorry about my writing. It's hard to fit that big word in that little box. And so as a decimal, we can write 0.20 or 0.2. And our fraction would look like 20 over 100.